Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful gradient balloon for gender party. The color goes from blue to pink. That's beautiful and unique. So let's start from materials we're gonna use today. First, it's a plastic tube for balloon column, scissors, balloon opener, sticks to double stuff balloon, hand pump, electric pump, balloon sizer, and balloons. For the base, we're gonna use 11-inch whites, pale blue, pink, and 5-inch white balloons. For the main balloon, we need 3-foot white balloon, pink and blue 24-inch balloons. And inside you can put confetti, small balloons. I'm gonna do both, and I'm gonna do pink. Today we have girl. And Elsa, we will need 260 clear balloons. Let's start from our base. It's gonna be like a small column. We need sizer, and I need double stuff balloons. So let's double stuff balloons. I'm using sushi stick. It works the best for me. I put my sizer on 8.5 and 4-inch. We tie in only inner balloon. It's much easier. You can even go twice. I pull inner balloon, so I have 2 blue, and I tied it. Now small one. So small one, we don't double stuff, it's just white. So we start doing our balloon column. So we put one balloon like all over and another one, and we push it down like this. And after we put small one the same way, so we go around the tube, and second one around from other side, and we push it down. See, that's hold, it doesn't move anywhere. Next cluster I already inflated, so we're doing the same way. Push it down. So we need 3 clusters of each color. So six balloons of each color, like this. If it's the last cluster, you put it like you do, all balloons, but it's easy, can slip up, and you can have to do it again. So what we do, we twist see, so now it's hold very tight. So this is our small column, the base for our balloon. So we don't need it right now, we put it on the side. Look nice? Okay, now let's start from the main parts, the most interesting parts. So we take our 3-foot balloons. I advise you pre-inflate it first, so it's easier to work. So you just inflate and release air. I need to open my blue balloon. So now we need to put inside blue and pink balloon. So I prefer to do this way. And I make a neck of balloon shorter. Using my stick. It goes inside easy. Okay. Same thing with blue balloon. I roll it. I think it's easier to put it in. When you pull blue balloon inside, try to hold pink one so it doesn't go inside fully. See, it's both inside. Now we need to fill up these balloons. Is our confetti and small balloons. I will start with confetti. I'm gonna use my opener, balloon opener. I think it's easier. Actually opening only white balloons. Balloons itself wide enough to put confetti inside. So I'm gonna split pack of confetti between 2 balloons. So I'm opening white one. And I'm pushing confetti inside pink one. Actually, maybe even you'll be fine without it. Because balloons, this size balloons are wide enough, so.
How much confetti do you put in?
I use 1 pack. I'm gonna split it between 2 balloons. Half in a pink, half in a blue.
So the whole bag of confetti has to go there?
Yeah.
For maximum effect?
Of course. The more the better. And you know this is gonna be air balloon, so you can put as much as you can. When you use helium, it's harder because if you put too much, helium goes down, so it's not gonna be able to hold it. But today it's air, as much as you can, guys. Make your client happy. Now I'm gonna put some in blue. Guys, if you feel that it's kind of a little bit stuck here, you can just do it with air. Just blow it. Now blue one. Nothing stuck anymore. A little bit more. So this is how it's look right now. You can leave just confetti. For most of the people it's fine, but I like to have like more wow effect, so I'm adding a little bit of small balloons. So I'll try to add as many as I can. So I'm trying to put inside one balloon. I started from blue one. Let me open it one more. I'm trying to make my neck of balloon shorter, so small balloon easy go down. And I'm gonna make shorter blue one as well. So try to put small balloons inside as deep as you can, so it goes out of the neck, this part, and still hold balloon so you can inflate it. It's inside. If you don't see it right now, but it's here and tight. And push it inside. So as you can see, your balloon, so that's why I'm making neck of balloon shorter, so it can go inside as much as I can. And because you don't see this balloon, so you just keep in mind that you do 3 pumps. That's 2, 3, and after you can tie it. So let me show again. So we put it inside. Now you already can see it's become bigger. See, now we have 2 balloons inside. Now I'm gonna do the same with pink balloon. I'm gonna add one by one. So here I have 2, so I'm gonna put 2 here. Oh, so I'm gonna make my pink neck shorter. When it's double stuff, it's hard to understand if your balloon inside or not, but you're gonna see it. It's not. What we're gonna do when it's really tight, you can just add some air. You add some air between pink and white one. Some air. Okay guys, so we put 6 balloons, 3 and 3. Now we're gonna inflate our inner balloons one by one. We need to try to inflate them in the same size. Let's start from pink one. And you need to don't forget to hold blue one. So we're gonna add air little by little. So now let's inflate blue. much the same, right? The same?
Perfect.
Okay, now, so guys, I'm tying my balloons. Pink one. And I can set it inside. And I'm closing blue one. So now I need to inflate my white balloons. Yeah, I push neck inside. We don't need it anymore. So now we have only white balloons left. I think you already can see gradient, right? So it goes from the blue to pink. But now we just need to make a perfect shape. Right now it's look like a bean, so we need to make it more round. Better? Perfect, okay. Mark said it's good, so now we can tie this balloon. We can tie our big balloon. Now we have our 260 balloon. Let's take our columns. Okay, so let's find blue side. So blue goes on the blue and pink on the pink. So remember we tied good these white balloons. So now it can easily hold 260 with big balloon. So we just go inside. So just push it inside. Go around. Oops, I lost one. And just tie to end. Guys, I think it's wrong sides, right? So pink, blue, blue, pink. So let's just turn it. Okay. I think it's good now, right? Blue, blue, pink, pink. So guys, I think you see right now better when you put it down. So it goes from the blue to pink. You also can put sign your baby, boy or girl. We're not gonna do it today because it's easy stuff. But I think balloon itself look very unusual and like very beautiful.
Yeah.
So guys, I put balloons on the bench so you can see it's better right here. And when you give clients your balloon, explain that you need to pop 2 people in the same time from the both sides. One person pop from blue side, you can see where it's like really blue, and second person has to pop from the pink side. So now we're gonna show you how to do it.
I'm doing the pink side and you're doing the blue side.
So I need Mark for this.
All right, so we count?
Yes. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Do you wanna know who you're waiting
It's a
for?
boy or a girl?
It's a boy or girl?
I think it's a girl, but
Okay.
Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, pop.
No, 1, 2, 3 and we pop.
Oh, we pop at 3.
Yes, of course. 1, 2, 3
It's
and we
1,
pop.
2, 3.
No, 1, 2, 3, pop.
Pop. That's what I said. 1, 2, 3, pop.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, guys,
Ready?
let's see how it works.
1, 2, 3.
It's a girl!
It's a girl!
So guys, what do you think? If you still have questions, please contact me by Instagram or email. And see you in our next video.